हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ सरस्वती इन इंग्लिश एकेडमी भादरा जून। ये आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए 6th क्लास का एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 लेके आया हूँ। क्वेश्चंस अप टू हियर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू और टॉट यू इन आवर लास्ट वीडियो। ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 विच इज यूजिंग डिविजिबिलिटी tests determine which of the following using divisibility tests determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6 or divisible by 6. Using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. And our first our A part is 297144. Our part A is 297144. Part B is 1258 and part C is 4335. Part D is 61233. Part E is 901352. Part F is Part A is Part A is 297144. Part B is 1258. Part C is 4335. Part D is 61233. Part E is 9,01,352. Part F is 4,38,750. Part G is 1790184. Part H is 12583. Part I is 639210. Part I is 639210. Part J is 17852. Part J is 17852. So this is our part J. Now let us start with this question. Very firstly we will see using divisibility test. डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट का यूज़ करके मैंने बताया था कुछ मैजिकल डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट हैं मैथमेटिक्स में जिनके थ्रू अपने डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं वेदर द गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय एनी नंबर और नॉट. गॉट इट? सो आवर फर्स्ट रूल इज ऑफ नंबर 2, सेकेंड वन इज फॉर 3 एंड वी विल डिस्कस दीज बोथ because of we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 6 or not, whether the given numbers are divisible by 6. And for checking the divisibility of 6 we will go for checking divisibility of both 2 and 3. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3 then only we can say that our number will be divisible by 6 also. Okay, so let us check. Let us know what is the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. Listen, if a number is having unit place digit of a number should be, if a number will be divisible by, or a number is divisible है ना by 2 if unit place digit of that number is, unit place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If a number having unit place digit as 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. Let us check for 3. Sum of all digits or final sum of all digits, final sum of all digits equals to 3, 6 or 9. If final sum of all digits is 3, 6 or 9, then we can say that our given number is divisible by 3. And if a number is satisfying both the divisibility criteria, then we will say that our number will be divisible by 2 and 3 both, and in that case number will also be divisible by 6. Okay, so let us start with our part A, which is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 2,97,144. 2,97,144. So first here we are seeing our unit place digit is 4, which is coming in our criteria or rule of 2. Hence we can say, or we will say, this number will be divisible by 2. Here we are seeing our number is divisible by 2. Okay, so because of number having unit place digit as 4, so this number is divisible by 2. Now we will check divisibility rule of 3, and for that we have to add all the digits. So 2 plus 9 plus next digit is 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. Here we are seeing 1 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 2 and 7, 9, and this is also 9. And when 9, 9, 9, 3 9 will add up, then it will give us 27. This is not final sum. We will add further. We will add these two digits and we will get 9. Here we are seeing our sum is 9. So it can be easily seen that this number will be divisible by 3 also. Now here we are seeing this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Then a number given in A part will be divisible by 6 as well. Okay, so our number given in part A, 2,97,144 is divisible by 6. Now let us move towards our part B, which is 1258. 1258. Here we are seeing our unit place digit is 8, and which is coming in the criteria of 2. Hence this number is divisible by 2. Now we will go for checking of whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. So we have to add all the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8. Here we are seeing 2 plus 8 is 10 and 5 plus 1 is 6 and 10 plus 6 is 16. As we know very well that are 16, 8 plus 2 is 10, 5 plus 1 is 6, 10 plus 6 is 16. final sum of 16 is 7, which is not coming as 3, 6 or 9. So number will not be divisible by 3. Number is divisible by 2, no doubt, but is not divisible by 3. At the same time, the number is not divisible by 3. Hence we will say that number will not be divisible by 6. Is not divisible by 6. Is not divisible by 6. Okay, so here we are seeing our number is not divisible by 6. Let us move towards checking whether this part, whether the number given in this part is divisible by 6 or not. So here we are seeing, first we will check for divisibility rule of 2. हम भी सबसे पहले हम 2 का divisibility rule चेक करेंगे. तो now here we are seeing our unit place digit is 5 and we are seeing divisibility rule of 2, unit place digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, but our unit place digit is 5, hence this number is also not divisible by 2. Then if number is not divisible by 2, if the number is even not divisible by 2, then it will not be divisible by 6 also. Okay, we will not go for checking whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, because if number is not divisible by 2, then definitely it will not be divisible by 6 as well. Okay, so is not divisible by, is not divisible by 6. Okay, now let us move towards our part D. Here unit place digit is again 3, which is not among these numbers, hence we can say, which is not coming from these numbers, which is not coming from these numbers, hence we will say that our number is not divisible by 2, and subsequently the number is also not divisible by 6. Is not divisible by, is not divisible by 6. Next one is part E. Our here in this number our unit place digit is 2, hence here we are seeing our unit place digit is 2, which is coming from these digits 0, 2, 4, 6, hence this number will be divisible by 2. So now let us go for divisibility rule of 3, and we will check whether this number is divisible by 3 also or not. So we will add these numbers. Here we are seeing 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 5 is 11, and 11 plus 9 is 20, and here we are seeing 20, the final sum is 2, not 3, 6 and 9, hence the number is not divisible by 3. So the number is not divisible by, not divisible by 6. Okay, next part, this one. Here we are seeing unit place digit is 0, and hence 0 is coming over here, so we can see that number is divisible by 2. Now we will check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. For this we will add these digits. Okay, 4, 3, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 8, 8, 7, 5. Okay, so here we are seeing 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, and 14 plus 5 is 19, and we are remaining with 8, and if we will add 8, then it will be 9 plus 8 is 17, 7, 1 carry, this is 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, and final sum is 9. So this number will also be divisible by 3 as well, and here we are seeing the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6 also. Okay, so our final response will be is divisible by 6, is divisible by 6. Okay, now let us move towards our next part, which is G. Here we are seeing unit place digit is 4, so number is divisible by 2, and sum of all numbers 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 8 plus 8, or this is 8 and this is 9, 8 plus 4 is 12, then the final sum is 1 plus 2 is 3. Here we are seeing having unit place digit as 4, the number is divisible by 2, and having the final sum of all digits as 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Now being divisible by both 2 and 3, the number will also be divisible by 6. Okay, so our final answer is number is divisible by 6. Okay, now let us move towards our part H, which is here we are seeing our unit place digit is 3, hence the number is not divisible by 2, then how it will be divisible by 6? Hence our answer is number is not divisible by 6, is not divisible by 6. Okay, next part is I. Here we are seeing our unit place digit is 0, hence number which is coming from these digits, hence number is divisible by 2. Let us check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. So for that we have to add these numbers. Here we are seeing this is this is 9 plus 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is again 18, which is subsequently 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here we are seeing this is 3, sum of all digits is 3, hence the number is divisible by 3. And we are seeing number is divisible by both 2 and 3, hence the number is divisible by 6. Is divisible by 6. Okay, let us move towards our part J. Here we are seeing in this question, this number having unit place digit as 2, hence we can say our unit place digit is 2, so the number is divisible by 2. Now we will go for checking whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. So here we are seeing 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 1 is again 9. Okay, we will leave these two, because when we will add any number in 9, it will add up to the denomination of that number. Okay, so the final sum of these all digits will be 5. So here our final sum is 5, hence the number is not divisible by 3. So the number will not be divisible by 6, is not divisible by 6. So the number is not divisible by 6, is not divisible by 6. Okay, next one is this was our last part. Okay, so now here we will go for our next sum, which is question number 4th. in our question number 4 we are given using divisibility tests, using divisibility tests determine which of the following determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Numbers are divisible by 11. Okay, so our first part is, our part A is 5 4 4 5, our part B is 1 0 8 2 4, our part C is 7 1 3 8 9 6 5, our part D is 7 0 1 6 9 3 0 8, our part E is 1 6 times 0 1, 6 times 0 1, and our part F is 9 0 1 1 5 3. First, divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11, which is in any number we are having two type of places. This is first place, this is second place, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth, and this is seventh. Now here we are seeing these all places or these all numbers which are representing the places can be categorized in two categories. First one is even number, second one is odd number. So here we are seeing these are odd numbers, even numbers, sorry, and these are odd numbers. So we can easily interpret what is the difference in between even and odd. Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of numbers coming on odd places minus sum of numbers coming on even places upon 11. When we will divide this difference by 11, if we are able to see that number is dividing this difference, then we can say that our number is divisible by 11. If it is not divisible, then we will say number is not divisible by 11. Okay, and this is your homework. I will teach you, or I will show you how we have to check and how we have to evaluate these problems in our next video. Up to you have to practice these questions. Okay, this is your homework. Okay guys, stay home, stay safe.